Here we've got Sage. She's been superintending the project today. Mark's got his chainsaw out. Got some railroad ties up for a parking lot. Swale is started. The lawn is no more. It is now a road. Jeff's on break. The most dramatic activity, though, is up high where the greenhouse is going to go. Sage is going to show us where she's going to lick Jeff's ear. Houston, we have a foundation. So Mark's been up here with a shovel for hours, making sure this is all levelish, and then they're going to drag a board across there. And that little box is the size of the greenhouse, so we'll be fastening the greenhouse down to that. Now it's my turn to go dig a ditch, so tune in later.